وهو الذي أنزل من السماء ماء فأخرجنا به نبات كل شيء فأخرجنا منه خضرا نخرج منه حبا متراكبا ومن النخل من طلعها قنوان دانية وجنات من أعناب والزيتون والرمان مشتبها وغير متشابه انظروا إلى ثمره إذا أثمر وينعه إن في ذلكم لآيات لقوم يؤمنون.
Surah Al-An verse 99 explains translated as, "It is he who sends down water from the sky. With it we bring forth all kinds of plants. From them we produce greenery, from which we bring forth grain in layered ears. And from the date palms, from their spathes, hanging clusters, and gardens of grapes and olives and pomegranates, similar yet different. Look at their fruits when they bear fruit and when they ripen. Indeed, in that are signs for people who believe." Surah Al-An verse 99 explains that Allah alone is the one who sends rain from the sky and brings life to the earth. From the same water, He causes all kinds of plants to grow, turning dry soil into greenery and producing layered grains, hanging clusters of dates and gardens filled with grapes, olives, and pomegranates. Although these fruits may grow from similar soil and water, they differ in taste, color, shape, and benefit, showing the perfection of Allah's design and wisdom. This verse draws attention to the natural process of growth, fruiting, and ripening, inviting people not just to see these things casually, but to reflect deeply on them. By observing how life emerges, develops, and reaches maturity, a person is guided to recognize Allah's power, mercy, and careful planning in creation. The verse concludes by reminding us that these realities are clear signs for those who believe, meaning that sincere reflection on every day blessing strengthens faith and gratitude toward Allah.